Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to compare two cryptocurrency apps. First one is Bisq and the second one is Coinbase. We will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about these two products, and in the end we'll try to find out which one is better from the other. So let's start with the Bisq. Bisq is about as far from a traditional brokerage account as you're likely to get. It's a decentralized exchange, which brings its own set of benefits and disadvantages. While it's more secure, you'll have to work harder to trade. Bisq is a desktop application that you need to install on your computer. You can download a mobile app to monitor any trade notifications, but you won't be able to trade on the go. You'll have to use your desktop. Plus, your computer has to be online for your offer to be live. It's worth noting that Bisq isn't a company, it's a piece of software. Unlike a centralized exchange, you never need to give Bisq your money. But you will need to use a wallet for your transactions. Without getting into the technical details, it makes sense to use Bisq wallet for your Bisq trades. You don't have to provide any private information. Centralized exchange may ask you to provide a photo ID or proof of residence and wait for approval. In contrast, you can start trading in less than 10 minutes with Bisq. There's a reason the large majority of crypto transactions go through centralized exchanges. They make it easy to trade both fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies. The big centralized exchanges are usually more liquid, so it's easier to buy or sell the coin you want. They are also faster and often offer more customer support. As countries introduce more crypto regulation, the centralized exchange can sidestep those rules. But they also sidestep the protection that the regulation offers. So you are less able to tell if you are getting laundered currency or cash from criminal activities. Let's check the app now. As you can see, it's pretty basic. And that's one of the cons of Bisq, I would tell. This app most definitely needs some rework, but basically it's everything in here. You have your Bitcoin to USD, where we're standing right now. You can go through currencies in which you want to trade, also life cycle, and then the market itself. Here you have all the buyers that you can sell your Bitcoin to. Here you can buy the Bitcoin from different other sellers. When we go in here, you can filter everything that you really want to or you give a weight to. Let's trade in euros, filter by payment method. Let's go with advanced cash, but there's no coins. And as you can see, you can create an offer, or you can buy a Bitcoin very easily. Your portfolio, your funds, support, settings and accounts. So it's very important to set up your Bisq in here. With the greatest pros, I would say it's decentralized, but that swings both ways. Various payment options, instant approval, no geo restriction, and you are in control of everything. On the cons, there is potential for fraud because it's decentralized. No one is checking anyone. The application is basic, and yeah, yet again, the decentralization isn't for everyone. Let's talk about Coinbase for a moment. Coinbase is also an app that you can trade, for example, Bitcoins, but any other coins as well. You don't have to install it into your computer. You can run it on your mobile phone as well, and you can run through all the life cycles of cryptocurrency. Let's check the Bitcoin in here. At the moment we are at 48. 0.84, which is pretty basic. You can see the market caps, volume in 24 hours, circulating supply, and also you can learn about the infamous Bitcoin. Then you can learn about it, check all the markets for all the coins, tradable, gainers and losers. This is very much a centralized shop where you can do it, but if you want to go a little bit rogue, the Bisq is a really nice option for you if you are not afraid of getting scammed. So that's about it, guys. If you want, or if you need any, or if you have any kind of questions, please leave a comment. We'll try to answer it. And also leave a like, subscribe if you want to. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Have a great day.